Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Roaming Cuisine. I hope you got an idea where we are going. So today I am going to take you to a Devbag, the golden sand beach, which is blessed with natural beauty, kind people and wonderful culture. I'll provide the detailed itinerary by end of this video. So it's 6 in the morning and we are all set to leave from Pune by car. It's wonderful weather because it was raining yesterday and the environment is quite chill. We have traveled from Pune to Devbag via Anuskura Ghat. Your trip is incomplete in Maharashtra without having vada pav and chai. As I already told you about the route map, here we have reached to Anuskura Ghat and the view from here is just so beautiful. Okay, so Anuskura Ghat started. Let's take some drone shot how it looks. Let's go. Wow, it was really thrilling experience. The river and the road from the mountains, looking all this together in this climate, it's just so relaxing. Now we have to rush a little as we want to reach Devbag by lunchtime. So let's go. So this is the place in the Devbag where we are going to spend next 2 days, a Revankar's homestay. We choose a homestay for a specific reason, especially to explore homemade Malvani cuisine and of course the location. We have done our booking a week before. They have peaceful ambience, homely environment and have their own kitchen downstairs to serve authentic Malvani food, veg and non-veg. I would highly recommend whenever you travel to Devbag Tarkarli, give an opportunity to Revankar's homestay to serve the best. It's 5 p.m. now and we are on the way to Devbag beach. Just have a look. Clean beach, simply a sound of waves and the people around hanging out with their families. We will just take a nice walk from the beach side. Until the time, you enjoy wonderful evening view. It's a day 2 now and we are going to Devbagh Sangam point. It was so nice to spend time early in the morning on the beach. Now we are heading towards our next adventure, the water sports from the Tsunami Island. Before that, let's have a breakfast. So here we have a Kokan special, gaune with green coconut chutney, a very simple and healthiest. It's around 9:30 in the morning and we met Rupesh and he is taking us to a point from where a boat will start. Just to let you know, Revankar's homestay have their own tie-ups with these agents, so it get easy for you to reach there for the water sports. It is around 500 meters from our stay. From here, we will go to Tsunami Island and the boat charges for both sides is 500. So let's start. Okay, so we have reached and look at the crowd here. People are going crazy to try out these rides. So let's take up very first ride without wasting a time. Now we are moving ahead deep into sea by boat for parasailing. It was a wonderful experience. You should definitely come to visit at least once along with your friends and family. After having fun with all these rides, we are very hungry. Now we are going back to have our lunch and take some rest. So here we have a prawn curry served with prawns and surmai fry. And of course the Kokan special soul curry. They also have their own unique salad, which is a combination of grated coconut mixed with cabbage and onion. And the taste of food was just awesome. The flavor of fresh coconut in the gravy was very nice. It's a day 3 at Devbagh and now we are leaving for Sindhudurg fort. So here we have reached. As this fort is situated in Arabian Sea, we have to take a boat to reach on the fort. And the charges per person is 100 rupees. Taking our life jacket on and let's go. And here we are, just take a look. Hope you have enjoyed. Definitely a worth visiting this place. You can plan for a day or two. Here is the detailed itinerary displayed on the screen. See you in the next video. Stay happy, keep on traveling. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.